my name's Anastasia. It's my first time today and I'm really excited about all the workshops.
I actually got involved in dancing through going to a class with my sister at the age of 5. Went along and the studio owner wasn't too sure whether I'd enjoy it, so I said to my mum, come back in half an hour, you'll probably want to leave. And my mum came back and I basically stayed ever since. So I loved it that much and got into it. Giving back and teaching and allowing to help others achieve the enjoyment and goal that I've achieved really is fulfilling.
My name's Eleanor Baldry.
And I'm Katie Fisher.
I like ballet. Ballet and tap are my favourites, so I'm looking forward to those two, but we're here for all of them.
Such a wide variety of styles. Within dance, you'll always find something that you're going to enjoy. And you'll probably find loads of things you'll enjoy, but there'll definitely always be one thing that you find is your style.
Theatre, craft, jazz, and classical ballet, tap. There's also the ballroom side of it, which we haven't done a lot, but there is, we know the ballroom exams as well.
What I love about the Idta is how I've seen it evolve over the years, even in my time, just from when I was 11 taking exams to what I see now, really trying to take in what's going on in the climate of the dance industry, because dance is huge. A good dancing body will keep on top of that, and we want to keep the syllabuses fresh and bring in outside people to break away sometimes from syllabus and just talk about different styles.
They provide events like this which allows us to be trained by professionals in the industry, which inspires us and also helps us to gain an idea of, if we want to dance in the future, what our experience will be like.
Wonderful association to bring together students and teachers of different styles. I don't think there's been like an association like that makes me feel so included in the thing that I love to do the most. So I just find it so good that it brings people together.
If you do want to come and see us at the Buddy Hub, come and have a chat, wants to ask some questions, they can come along. It's something running across all the events that we do now, so if anyone wants to travel, is travelling alone, they know they've got a friendly face to come and chat to.
I was captain of the local football team, so a funny story, used to go to dancing, had my ballet class on a Tuesday, which would finish at 7 o'clock, and my dad would pick me up and take me football, and I would change from my ballet shoes in the car to my football kit. It's never too late to start dancing, especially these days. People can get, with all the workshops and the facilities and the TV programmes, a good dancer is always learning. I'm 31, I've been dancing professionally now for the last 10, 11 years, and I'm still learning. I'm still here today, watching other people and trying to feel inspired by what they're doing.
Yeah, so learning things and picking up choreography quickly. It's kind of like it's a good experience for audition environment, because there are so many people around you, you have to try and stand out. Great experience, these events every year.
And everybody gets together and they haven't seen each other for a year, and and it's like we've only seen each other yesterday, isn't it?
I don't think you have to be good to start, but you have to start to become good.